The Rosetta mission is very intriguing and very inspiring because its task is to rendezvous with Comet Churyumov-Gerasimenko, or as it's known, Comet 67P, while it still lingers in the cold regions of the solar system, and to deploy a lander to reveal in close-up detail exactly what the surface looks like. But something very odd appears to be on Comet 67P. At least this is what some photos that have been taken of the comet reveal, revealing that there could be a potential object on this comet. And as you can see in the photo here, there's a shiny, like metallic looking object on this comet. But the question remains is, what is it? Is it a UFO? Well, this image, as you can imagine, is traveling around the internet very fast. The European Space Agency released this image of Comet Churyumov-Gerasimenko, Comet 67P for short, taken by the Rosetta space probe as it gets closer to its landing on the surface in November. Can you see what a lot of people are seeing in this photograph here, and no one at ESA or NASA is confirming this? Is that a UFO on the surface of Comet 67P? Rosetta was launched on March the 2nd, 2004, and made its initial rendezvous on August the 6th, 2014. On September the 15th, ESA announced that the landing site for Rosetta's probe on the so-called head of the comet. The photo of the possible UFO was released with a batch of other images on September the 10th. At the time, Rosetta was approximately 27.8 kilometers from Comet 67P. And let me repeat again, as you can see in the photo, the object appears to be metallic and quite different from the rock next to it. The rock appears darker while the object is reflecting brightly, even though both appear to be at the same angle to the sun. Now the shadow of the object matches its size and angle, but it appears longer than the rock because the slope of the ground behind it is different. As you can see, the high-resolution images of Comet 67P being taken by Rosetta are truly amazing, so there's some hope that better shots of the alleged UFO will surface. On the other hand, maybe ESA and NASA don't want anyone to see this object. Could be, who knows? Is it a UFO? If not, what's that metallic object doing on the comet? And another question surfaces. Does this object that you are seeing, this metallic object, does it have anything to do with why Comet Churyumov-Gerasimenko was selected for the landing?